Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series and second episode from November month. So let's get started. We are dealing with environment questions today. So the concept of sustainable development emphasizes meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This concept was primarily introduced in the report which titled options are limits to growth, B silent spring, C our common future, D population bomb. So basically this question is asking the idea of sustainable development came from which of these documents, right? So now let us see the answer. Answer is C, our common future, okay, also known as Brundtland report was published by the World Commission on Environment and Development in 1987. This introduced the concept of sustainable development. You should be knowing all this, right? Let's move on. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna sites is better known as aims to ensure that international trade in specimens of wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival. So in which year this CITES was adopted? So basically in which year CITES was adopted, okay? Options are 1963, 1973, 1983, 1993. Very easy question, guys. So obviously the CITES was adopted in 1973 and it came into the force in 1975. It regulates international trade in endangered species to ensure that it doesn't threaten their survival in the wild. Third MCQ, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) assesses scientific information relevant to understanding climate change and its impact. When was IPCC established? Again, a very simple question, guys. 1972, 1988, 1997 or 2005. In which of these year was IPCC established? Let us now see the answer. So IPCC was established in 1988. You should be knowing all the timelines of these conventions, of these when these bodies came into being. Okay, so you should be knowing the timeline at least. So IPCC was established in 1988 by the World Meteorological Organization WMO and UNEP to provide policymakers with regular assessments of the scientific basis of climate change, its impact and adaptation options. Next question, the Nagoya Protocol, and this is very important, guys. Nagoya Protocol, every now and then we get questions on this. So Nagoya Protocol, adopted in 2010, aims to ensure fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the utilization of which of the following. So basically Nagoya Protocols deals with which of the following is the question. So options are marine genetic resources beyond national jurisdiction, B plant genetic resources for food and agriculture, C indigenous knowledge associated with genetic resources, and D wildlife trade in endangered species. Okay, take your time but answer this question, guys. Yes, answer is C. So Nagoya Protocol addresses fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the utilization of genetic resources, including traditional knowledge associated with biodiversity, ensuring that such knowledge is used in a manner that respects the rights of indigenous and local communities. Moving ahead, the final MCQ, the Minamata Convention on Mercury, adopted in 2013, aims to protect human health and environment from anthropogenic emissions and release of mercury and its compounds. Which of the following is a primary source of anthropogenic mercury emissions? Okay, so options are coal-fired power plants, B agricultural runoff, C volcanic eruptions, D deforestation. Let us see the answer. Pause for a while. So answer is A. Coal-fired power plants are a significant source of anthropogenic mercury emissions. It releases mercury into the atmosphere during combustion. So the Minamata Conventions aims to reduce such emissions and prevent mercury pollution. With this, we have completed today's MCQs. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, thank you guys.